Hi, boys and girls. This week our story is called Abby and Zots, and it's a pretty neat story. In this story, Abby has an interesting friend. And I want you to take a minute and think about a friend that you have, someone who's your friend. Right? Got them in your head, thinking about it? So think about that friend. Are you exactly the same as that person? No, right? So friends have a lot of things that are the same, a lot of similarities. Maybe you like some of the same things or you're interested in the same things, but we're not exactly alike. We have differences with our friends too. So in this story, Abby and Zots, we're going to learn about how they are the same and how they are different. Before we read, let's take a look at our words that we need to know and also our focus question for this story. All right, so if we look up here in this box, these are the words that we need to know for this story. Arms, go ahead and you can say them after me. Different, eyes, friends, legs, space. Nice job. All right, so we're going to see these words in our story. These are words that we can't really sound out that well, so words that we need to know. And then our focus question for our story this week is, how are Abby and Zots similar? Meaning, how are they the same? How are they similar? And how are they different? So thinking compare and contrast is our skill we're working on this week. How are they the same? How are they different? All right, as we read through our story, we're going to start by doing an echo read. So my turn, your turn, and we'll talk about our story. Okay? Go ahead and you're going to repeat after me. My turn, your turn. Abby and Zots are best friends. Zots is from outer space. Abby has 2 eyes. Great job. Remember, my turn, your turn. Zots can have many eyes. Abby has 2 arms. Zots can have many arms. Abby has 2 legs. Zots can have many legs. Abby and Zots are different. They are still best friends. Nice job. All right, let's go back to the beginning and we'll read through our story one more time. All right, so Abby and Zots. Go ahead and try and read along with me. Abby and Zots are best friends. Zots is from outer space. Abby has 2 eyes. These are eyes. Zots can have many eyes. Abby has 2 arms. Zots can have many arms. Abby has 2 legs. Zots can have many legs. Abby and Zots are different. They are still best friends. Who are the characters in our story? Remember, characters are either the people or the animals that the story is about. So who are the characters in this story? Who was it about? Yeah, Abby and Zots are our 2 characters. Right? And then if we go back to our focus question, how are Abby and Zots similar? Meaning, how are they the same? And then how are they different? So think about that. How are Abby and Zots similar? So they're both friends, right? That's one thing that they have in common. They both have eyes. They both have arms. They both have legs. Right? The number of them is different. So Abby has 2 eyes. Zots has many eyes. Abby has 2 arms. Zots has many arms. Abby has 2 legs. And Zots can have many legs. So what they have is the same, and the amount or how many is different in this story. Right? See if you can think of any other ways that they are the same or different. Right? Thanks for listening to the story. If you log into your Seesaw account, you will see that there is an activity posted to go along with this story. I want you to read the story yourself, either read it to a family member or read it to yourself, and then record yourself reading. And then we're going to do a compare and contrast activity to compare how Abby and Zots are the same and how they are different. All right, great job. Can't wait to see your work.